Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Origin so EA can authenticate you. That step is required before any server handshake. Once signed in, check your PC local IP and reserve it or set a static address so NAT rules stay stable. Make sure Windows Firewall and your router will allow FIFA 19 and Origin through the required TCP and UDP ports. This prevents handshake failures. Do these steps now so you won't have to repeat network changes later. Next, configure your router and firewall to let FIFA reach EA's servers. You'll open and forward the listed TCP/UDP ports to your reserved PC IP. This routes multiplayer traffic directly and reduces NAT issues. If your router supports UPnP, enable it for automatic mappings, but prefer manual forwarding if you want predictable behavior. Then create explicit inbound and outbound rules in Windows Firewall for Origin, EXE and FIFA 19. EXE Finally, launch Origin first and then FIFA 19 so authentication tokens propagate correctly. You should attempt an online match or open Ultimate Team to test connectivity. Origin has connection diagnostics you can run if the game fails to reach services. Use Resource Monitor or network tools to verify packets on the forwarded ports. If you still can't connect, reboot modem and router, disable any VPN or proxy, flush your DNS cache, and check EA server status. These steps resolve most remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.